In this tutorial, I will illustrate how to make your own custom color palette in Inkscape version 0.45. Let's begin. Okay, the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to need to navigate to where we have Inkscape installed on our computer. Now on my particular computer, which happens to be at this time OpenSUSE on KDE, Inkscape is installed in my options directory under GNOME, Share, Inkscape, and then I've navigated to the palettes directory. It's inside the palettes directory where we find our default color palettes for Inkscape. So what we're going to do is, rather than create one from scratch, we're going to open one and save as and then edit one. So what I'm going to do is open up the standard Inkscape color palette. And when you open it, it looks just like this. And this is pretty straightforward, so I don't have to do a lot of explaining here. Basically what you have is this Inkscape uses the same color palette as GIMP. So to define it, all you need is a name, and then you need color values in here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do a save as, and I'm going to give this a new name. We'll call this one Heathen X. Okay. We'll give our palette a name. And basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going to modify this and take out what I don't want to see. You can see that there's quite a few colors in the default Inkscape theme. Okay, I'm going to delete that, and now I'm just left with several of these colors. Now what I'll do is just do a save. I'm going to open up Inkscape. And I'm going to find Heathen X. Here's my new color palette. And you'll see that all I have shown here is all that I have in my color palette text file. So here's the original Inkscape default. You see that I've got all these colors, and after removing all those colors, this is what I have left. So now when I draw in Inkscape, I can choose my own custom color palette to draw with. Thank you for watching. I'm Heathen X.